Some countries have begun vaccinating teenagers. Is this safe? And if so, why aren't all countries lowering the minimum age for vaccination? On 10 May 2021, the US Food and Drug Administration extended the emergency use authorization for the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for the prevention of COVID-19 to adolescents aged 12 to 15 years. More recently, the European Medicines Agency has mirrored this recommendation. Safety and efficacy data available to support the EUA in adolescents from 12 years of age include 22,060 participants aged 12 to 15 years enrolled in a randomized placebo-controlled clinical trial in the United States. Of these, 11,000 adolescent participants received the vaccine and 11,000 received a saline placebo. More than half of the participants were followed for safety for at least 2 months after the second dose. The most frequently reported side effects in adolescent clinical trial participants, which generally lasted 1 to 3 days, were injection site pain, tiredness, headache, chills, muscle pain, fever, and joint pain. With the exception of injection site pain, more adolescents reported these side effects after the second dose than after the first dose. Also, the observed vaccine efficacy was 100%, with a 95% confidence interval of 75 to 100. Having obtained the approval for the vaccines to be used in this age group from 12 to 15 years does not mean a change in the priority groups for vaccination. The priority groups for vaccination, according to WHO, are those who are at most risk of developing severe disease, including older adults, people with comorbidities, and health workers who are at high risk of contracting the disease and potentially spreading the virus to other patients. The mRNA vaccine from Pfizer-BioNTech should be used in adolescents aged 12-15 years with comorbidities that put them at significantly higher risk of serious COVID-19 disease alongside other high-risk groups. We need to keep in mind that we need a global effort to solve this pandemic, and that the priority target groups for vaccination are the same across the world.